Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Chromebook and opening settings immediately. Click the time in the lower right corner, then tap the gear icon to enter settings. Once done, make sure your Chromebook is up to date by checking about Chrome OS. Updates can move or rename features. If an update is pending, install it and restart, because some dark mode controls appear only after a restart. Now move to the Appearance section to change display options. You navigate to Settings and then choose Appearance to find theme controls. Select Dark or Toggle Dark Theme so system UI and supported apps switch to dark colors. This reduces glare and can save battery on some devices. If you don't see a dark option, make sure you're on the latest OS, and if comfortable, enable the experimental flag Chrome. //flags/# enable force dark for web content. Use caution because flags can be unstable. You finish by restarting the Chromebook to ensure dark mode applies consistently across apps and web content. After the reboot, verify system menus, Chrome browser, and supported apps reflect the dark theme. If something still looks off, return to Settings Appearance and toggle back, then reapply dark. If the option is missing or unstable, try clearing cache, disable any conflicting extensions, and then update again. As a last resort, backup files and power wash or contact manufacturer support for persistent display problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.